In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find trending hashtags on TikTok 2023. So once you open your TikTok app, just go ahead and search for trending hashtag. So on the bottom menu, just go ahead and scroll it to the left and you will see here hashtag. Just tap that one. So as you can see here, you will now see all the trending hashtags videos. So I'll be choosing the first one. And there you go. You can now use this video and post it online. And that's it. That's how to find trending hashtags on TikTok 2023. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.